welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Naraya. For those that are new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We are working with another hair review today. Huge shout out to Premium Lace Wigs for sponsoring today's video. I'm so excited because girl, this is a V-part wig. I've never had a V-part wig before, but it's just as easy as a glueless wig, okay? And I was just so blown away with the quality of this hair, and I definitely love that it is a little bit texturized so that it blends in with our natural hair really good. I'm completely obsessed. If you want to get all the details to this unit, make sure you check the description box below. Let's see me install it, how we got this look sticks. Make sure you keep on watching, and until next time, I'll see you later. Everyone deserves to be beautiful, period. So in your box, you get the silk bag, you get a pamphlet as well as a wig cap. This is a V-part wig. You see, you do get the net in the middle. It was so easy to install, you guys. Like, honestly, this was just, the only process to this was really making sure your leave out was tamed. So all I did was cut down the lace. I unclipped the clips, made sure I get all that extra plastic off. And then you see me hook my strap in the back of the wig. And really the rest is history. I'm gonna let this video ride out to some music, but as you guys can see, this is not a long video at all. The process was just that easy. Once it's clipped on, managing your leave out was honestly the longest part, and that really didn't take that long.